Hi, Peppa. Say hi, Peppa. Can you say hi, Peppa?
Hi, Peppa.
Can you say hi, Nana?
Hi,
Hi, Nanny. Say hi, Nanny.
Nanny.
Say hi, Eli.
Hi,
Hi, Aunt Meredith.
hi, Mrs.
Hi, Aunt Whitney. Bless you. Hi, Aunt Whitney. Bless you. Goodness. Hi, Aunt Whitney. Can you say hi, Aunt Whitney?
Whitney.
Hi, Aunt Scotty. Say hi, Aunt Scotty. Hi, Uncle Rob.
I go.
Hi, Evan. Say hi, Evan.
I'm with me.
Hi, Anna.
And
Say love you.
I will.
Bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye.